Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our course Organizational Behaviour Know Your People. In today's lecture, we are going to understand the foundations of organizational behaviour, commonly known as OB. Have you ever wondered why two employees with similar qualifications perform completely differently? Or why some organizations have highly motivated employees while others struggle with conflicts and poor teamwork? The answers to these questions lie in organizational behaviour. Let's begin. Before understanding organizational behaviour, let us first understand what an organization actually is. An organization is simply a group of people working together in a structured manner to achieve a common objective. Think about companies like Google, Tata, Infosys, Reliance, or even your university. Each consists of people with different skills, personalities, backgrounds, and expectations. Yet they work together towards shared goals. Now, here's an interesting question. If organizations are made of people, then what determines their success? The answer is human behavior. Behavior refers to the way people act and respond in different situations. Organizational behavior, or OB, is the scientific study of how individuals and groups behave within an organization and how this behavior influences organizational effectiveness. In simple words, OB helps managers answer questions like, why do employees lose motivation? Why do conflicts arise? Why do some teams outperform others? How can leaders inspire employees? How can organizations improve productivity while keeping employees satisfied? Unlike common assumptions, OB is not based on intuition alone. It uses principles from psychology, sociology, management, economics, anthropology, and neuroscience to understand workplace behavior. Organizational behavior has become more important than ever before. Today's workplace is changing rapidly because of artificial intelligence, hybrid work, globalization, and increasing workforce diversity. Studying OB helps organizations in several ways. First, it helps us understand human behavior because every employee is unique. Second, it improves employee motivation. Motivated employees are generally more productive, innovative, and committed. Third, OB supports learning and development, allowing organizations to build future-ready talent. It also promotes effective communication, teamwork, trust, and positive interpersonal relationships. Another important contribution is encouraging creativity and innovation. Organizations like Google and Apple deliberately create work environments where employees feel psychologically safe to experiment with new ideas. Finally, OB helps organizations manage technological changes and adapt to new work norms such as remote working and virtual collaboration. Let's connect this with real-world events. Many of you may have seen viral news stories involving toxic workplace culture. For example, incidents involving companies like BYJU's and HDFC Bank demonstrate how poor organizational behavior can damage reputation. These examples remind us that technical expertise alone cannot make an organization successful. Leadership behavior, communication, empathy, and organizational culture are equally important. As future managers, your responsibility is not only to manage tasks, but also to manage people. Managers achieve organizational goals through people. Their responsibilities include planning, organizing, leading, and motivating, monitoring performance, solving problems, managing conflicts, and making decisions. A successful manager understands that employees are not machines. Each individual has different motivations, emotions, personalities, values, and expectations. Understanding these differences is the essence of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is interdisciplinary. It draws knowledge from psychology, sociology, anthropology, political science, and economics. Together, these help managers make informed and evidence-based decisions. To summarize today's lecture, organizations are made of people. OB studies how people think, behave, and interact at work. Understanding OB helps improve motivation, communication, teamwork, leadership, and organizational performance. Successful managers focus not only on achieving targets, but also on understanding human behavior. In our next lecture, we will explore the major disciplines contributing to OB. Until then, observe the behavior of people around you. You'll start noticing many OB concepts in everyday life. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.